Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a proven weight loss formula that helps support healthy weight loss, maintain healthy digestion, and boost energy levels. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a dietary supplement made with amazing natural ingredients in powder form. It is the only solution with powerful vitamins, minerals, polyphenols, flavonoids, nutrients, and antioxidants that are directed to support healthy weight loss function. It contains amazing formulas that support the body's natural metabolic rate to reduce belly fat and improve the fat-burning system. It supports healthy inflammation response, improves digestion, and maintains high energy levels while promoting vitality. It supports weight loss while encouraging exercise performance and reducing fatigue. The supplement does not use chemical stimulants and contains only the highest quality pure ingredients to ensure zero side effects while strengthening the immune system. It is verified by experts and manufactured at a lab that follows safety measures. How does the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic work? With the amazing formula of more than 20 natural ingredients along with amazing probiotic strains to improve the gut microbiome, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic dietary formula promotes a healthy and lean body. It reduces stubborn belly fat and helps reduce overall weight by targeting the root cause of obesity. It provides essential nutrients to the body that promote the breakdown of fatty acids in the body while boosting energy levels and improving mitochondrial function. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic regulates the adiponectin protein to stimulate glucose levels and fats in the body. It enhances the homeostatic process to boost metabolic rate while promoting anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-obesity effects, using the powerful anthocyanin content of the formula. It reduces blood clots in the arteries and promotes healthy blood flow while flushing out toxins to prevent the deposition of fats in the body. Thus, by combining the powerful nutrients of the formula, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic reduces the symptoms and root cause of excessive weight gain. The benefits of consuming the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic are as follows. It helps in reducing visceral fats. It promotes a slim and toned belly. It increases the metabolic rate to accelerate fat burning. It enhances the immune system. It improves heart health by keeping blood vessels, veins, and arteries healthy. It stimulates blood circulation. It strengthens the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-obesity effects on the body. It controls blood sugar and blood pressure levels. It regulates cholesterol and sugar levels. It supports higher energy levels. It maintains a healthy healing process. It improves sex drive. What ingredients are used to formulate the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is prepared with a powerful combination of polyphenol blend, metabolic blend, and a digestive blend, along with 9 probiotic strains with 3 billion CFU. It is a powerful formula that contains 0 chemical stimulants. The ingredients of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic are polyphenol blend strawberry juice. It contains soluble fiber to maintain the digestive system while increasing the feeling of fullness. It contains powerful vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to decrease inflammation and promote blood sugar control. Hibiscus flower, it prevents obesity and soothes digestive tract infections. It helps in calming the nervous system to promote heart health. It regulates high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Beetroot, it contains detoxifying agents to remove toxins from the bloodstream and promote weight loss. It contains good fiber to improve digestion and reduce appetite. Raspberry fruit. It contains raspberry ketone that helps in preventing obesity. It increases metabolism and the ability to burn fats while reducing appetite. It increases the breakdown of fats to support weight loss. Acai fruit. As a natural antioxidant, it promotes weight loss by stimulating the metabolic rate. It enhances immune function. Black currant fruit. It improves exercise performance and boosts fat burning during exercises. It contains anthocyanins that reduce weight and improves glucose metabolism while regulating the gut microbiome. Blueberry extract. It regulates the fat-burning process and helps reduce cholesterol levels. It supports arterial health and maintains blood circulation. Cranberry fruit. It aids in weight loss by boosting the metabolism. It is rich in antioxidants that help in removing toxins from the body. Grapeseed extract. It contains resveratrol to metabolize fatty acids, improve energy production, and aid weight loss. It is high in fiber and contains natural sugar that satisfies sugar cravings without blood sugar spikes. Mango seed extract. It helps lose excess weight while lowering cholesterol and improving blood circulation. It contains vitamin C, flavonols, tannins, and ellagic acid, along with phenolic compounds to perform the antioxidant effect in eliminating free radicals in the body. Pomegranate. It helps reduce appetite while the antioxidants, polyphenols, and conjugated linolenic acid in pomegranate improve the fat-burning process while boosting metabolism.